we now celebrate the Best Digital Banking Innovation Platform. The award goes to Techurate Systems. Congratulations. The co-founder and chief operating and financial officer, Ramya, is requested to please step forward and accept the honors. Ramya co-founded Techurate, a global digital banking solutions provider. As COFO, as it says, she brings 18 years of experience, commitment to empowering the financial institutions. I think, Ramya, I have a thing to say for you. They say a woman on a mission needs absolutely no permission. So I think that is what we have to say about her. Thank you and congratulations.
Evening, ma'am. Good evening. Thank you for joining us at the Outlook Business Spotlight Enterprise and Leadership Awards. Thank you. I would like to congratulate you on winning the award title tonight. And before we begin with the set of questions, I would request you to introduce yourself and the award that you have won.
Hi, this is Ramya, co-founder and COFO of Techurate Systems Private Limited. I'm taking care of finance and operations. So thank you so much for this recognition. Thank you Outlook for this recognition. And this recognition of Digital Innovation Award is close to our heart because core pursuit of Techurate is digital innovation. And we have simplified the complex situation using our AI tools. And we've got award for this. This is very closer to our heart. And this will help us to push our boundaries and innovate further. Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am. My first question goes live. In what ways is your enterprise contributing to building a more resilient and future-ready India?
Okay. Having transformed banks through our AI-driven products, now we are focusing and extending our technology to the farmers, the financial tools to the farmers, help them to access their finances easily. So having this agri-tech and fintech together, it's a beautiful fusion which can definitely build a resilient India. We're sure about it.
Definitely. Yeah. That's an inspiring thought in itself. The next question is, what are you most proud of? Not just in terms of business metrics, but in terms of legacy or impact?
We are proud of the real impact we make to the society. Say for example, a person living in a downtrodden area somewhere in the remote location of the world is able to access his finances through our digital banking platform is something which we are really proud about.
That's great to know, ma'am, and you have beautiful perspectives coming from your company. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, it's an honor. Thank you.